Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a channel membership on YouTube. Just watch, follow this video till the end. Open YouTube first and it's going to open directly on the homepage. So here you have to go to the search bar and search for the channel that you want to join. So, for example, my channel. What I have to do right now, when I open it, I will find here subscription option and join membership option. I will just click on join. And if I want to join this and also this, just click what you want. For example, this, I will click join. And then I have to add my credit or debit card here and finish the other information and steps, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.